Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to close a Shopify store and cancel your Shopify subscription. Whether you're pivoting your business strategy, taking a break, or closing shop for good, it's important to know how to do this smoothly, securely, and without unexpected charges. Let's walk through the process together step by step so you don't miss anything crucial and can confidently manage your store's closure. First, you'll need to navigate to the Settings option in the Shopify admin panel. Look toward the bottom left of your dashboard, where you'll find this key feature. The Settings menu is your go-to place for managing and adjusting various aspects of your store, from shipping and checkout preferences to language, taxes, and billing. As you click on Settings, you'll see a number of options expand, each representing a different piece of your store's operational puzzle. Now, focus on the option that says Plan. This is an integral component of your store setup, as it dictates the Shopify services and features you can access. Selecting Plan will take you to the area where you can manage or modify your store subscription. In this section, you'll find everything related to your current plan, including billing information, your plan's features, upcoming charges, and most importantly, the cancellation options. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to double-check a few things. Make sure you fulfilled or refunded any outstanding orders, downloaded important reports, and saved customer or product data you may want later. Taking these extra steps can help you avoid complications and ensure a clean transition. To proceed with deactivation, you'll need to cancel your plan. By initiating this action, Shopify will immediately deactivate your store. This means customers will no longer be able to view or interact with your store online, and checkout will be disabled. However, your Shopify admin will still be accessible for reference purposes. Keep in mind that while your store is deactivated, Shopify does something particularly useful. They retain your store's data for a minimum of 2 years. This is a great safety net in case you change your mind or decide to reopen your business in the future. It gives you the opportunity to reactivate your store without rebuilding everything from scratch, preserving the hard work you've already put into it. However, if you're certain that you want all your data permanently removed right away, Shopify allows that as well. Simply reach out to Shopify's customer support team after canceling your plan and request immediate data deletion. Their team is equipped to handle this request and will ensure your data is completely wiped from their servers, if that's your preference. And there you have it. Closing a Shopify store might seem like a daunting task at first, but as you've seen, it's actually quite straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can deactivate your account securely while still keeping the option open to restart your business in the future if you choose to do so. If you follow these steps, you'll ensure an efficient closure process that protects your data and avoids unnecessary charges. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, if you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.